Hi everyone and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. As I was telling you in my last video, the upcoming season is of lot of festivals and it's true. Next week it is Ganpati festival and you know in Ganpati festival we concentrate ourselves to do a good kind of decoration for our Ganpati. And in same line I have created a wonderful decoration for my Ganpati and this is what I have created. If you also like to create same thing, this particular video I have created how to create this beautiful back end piece for our Ganpati decoration. So let's see. So let's see what kind of material is required to make this beautiful Ganpati decoration. So basically this particular decoration is divided into three major parts. This small flower which is on the top side, this base flower which is at the base of this our decoration, and these small leaves which are in two different colors, and this entire thing is mounted on a cardboard, which cardboard I will show you. So this is the cardboard. This is of size, what I am using is 20 inches by 20 inches. It's a big cardboard which you have to use as a base to mount our entire decoration. So we will require one cardboard of size 20 inches by 20 inches. Now let's see from where we will be making this particular base flower, which is the big one. It is made up of two colors. So I am taking three papers, standard A4 size papers. This is of size 21 inches by 29 inches, readily available in the market, craft papers, colored craft papers. So these three papers of one color, sky blue I am using, and another three papers for this other shade, right? So three papers of this color and three papers of sky blue color. So these two colors I am using it to make this base flower. Now for this center flower which we are putting it on the top side, we will require these two papers, A4 size papers, which are of yellow color. So for making the center flower we require two papers, and for making this particularly small mounters on the top and at the bottom of this flower, we will make use of such kind of small paper, small cardboard pieces, one covered with golden paper and one as a normal paper, one as a normal standard craft paper. Okay, so these two small pieces of rough cardboard papers are good enough for mounting this particular small flower. Now for making these leaves, which are of two different colors, we will be making use of these color paper sheets. There are total 18 leaves in this particular decoration. So we will require 5 sheets of this particular color which I am using for these leaves. So we will require 5 sheets, and for other color and for this color also we will require 5 sheets of papers. So remember, for making leaves, 5 plus 5 10 papers, 5 of one color, 5 of another color. And rest of the material, like we are using these crystal stickers. So ready-made crystal stickers are available which you can make use of, and rest all material is a standard material. What we require, we will require pencil, we will require scissor, we will require our scale, we will require nice quality of glue, and we will require a sellotape to mark small circle. That's it. So that's it, the material what is required to make this beautiful Ganpati decoration. So let's begin. So we will first take our big cardboard and we will mark a circle on it. So how to mark a big circle? We don't have compass to mark this big circle. So there is one trick. You take two pencils, you put the center point here, just mark the center point of this cardboard. So just put your pencil here, and with another pencil you can draw the circle. But how to draw that? For that purpose you take one small thread and just measure how much distance you want. So you want this distance, so make 2 knots, loose knots for that distance on that thread. Now put pencil in 1 knot, keep it at the center, and put the other pencil in this second knot, hold it tight, then place this pencil, and now just hold this center pencil tight and just rotate it. Right, so we got this complete circle covering our cardboard. Now so I am ready with this cardboard now, cut into the required size. Now we will make use of this cardboard to place our entire craft, which we will be using to decorate the back side of our Ganpati decoration. So let's begin. What kind of items we are going to put on this cardboard? So let's take first 2 color papers and we will start the foldings. We have to fold this edge, and keeping this longer edge, make the parallel fold, then fold it into half. Again same from the other side. Now fold this end to outer end by reverse folding. Same way this end to outer end by reverse folding. Turn around and now fold this entire fold to up to center. Same way this entire fold to center. The intention of making these fold is nothing but to get the zigzag nature of your paper automatically. So if you see, we got the paper in zigzag mode exactly. Let's do it for this paper also. So I've created this also in zigzag pattern. Now what we have to do is, we have to cut this edge. Just keep this open end on this side and mark it like this. So let's cut it. Similarly make the cutting for this also. Just keep this as open end on this side and close end on this side. We are having these 2 cuttings. Now we are going to join these together using a glue. So let's apply some glue here. So likewise with these 2 colors we have to make similarly 3 pairs. So now I am ready with all 3 pairs of these flower part. Now we have to stick all these 3 pairs together. So let's apply. So just ensure that you are making alternate arrangement of colors. So after this you have to stick this and then you have to stick this. So let's start. Yes, so all our folds are now together, what we intended. Just see to it that somewhere it is not sticking. So we are having alternate arrangement of these colors. Now what we have to do is, we have to make a complete round of it this way and stick this together. So we have to stick finally these 2 surfaces together. So our basic work is now ready. Now we are ready to mount it on our board. So we will slightly expand this and mount it on our board. So let's see how to do that. So let's paste this now on our cardboard paper. So we already have this circle. So let's apply some glue in between here near the center and let's paste it. Let's ensure that it comes at the center. Even if there is some gap in between, no problem. You don't need to exactly match each and everything. Just see to it that it gets pasted properly. We are going to put some flower in between so that this portion will get hidden. So just keep it aside so that it will get dry. For centerpiece of our decoration, let's take these two yellow papers. Let's fold this. Then make another fold at the center. Same way from opposite side. Then fold this end too. And same way, reverse fold this side. Turn it around and fold it in the reverse way. Same way, fold it this in the reverse side up to the center. So we are making these folds just to ensure that we are getting this zigzag pattern of this paper. So we are getting 8 folds out of this paper. Now we have to fold this in half. It will be difficult to cut the pattern. We have to make pattern here and cut it. It will be difficult to cut the pattern this much thick. So let's cut this into 2 halves. Now we have to make pattern. So keep this open side on your right hand side and closed side on this left hand side. Let's mark the pattern. So we want this kind of pattern. Let's cut it. So we are ready with this pattern. Let's mark same pattern on this folds also. So we have to keep this open end on the right hand side and close end on the left hand side. Just put it to mark the same pattern. So let's cut this also, and we have to make 2 more like this from this other paper. So let's do it. So we are ready with 4 pieces. Let's open them up. Now we have to paste them together, but to avoid the glue, we will cut half portion of this part and then we will paste one by one together. So let's start. Likewise, let's cut it for all 4 pieces. Now let's join all these 4 pieces together with glue. Now we will have to align these 2 end pieces together. So just fold them, align this with this end piece properly, and we can fix it together. So let's start. Now let's open this up very gently and keeping center, and just try to bring all these petals to center as far as possible so that it will look very nice. Now let's see how to mount it. So I'm taking these 2 small cardboard papers. One is with this golden paper, which I will use to mount it on the top side, and one this rough cardboard paper which I will use to put it at the bottom side of our flower. So first let's cut the circle. I will make use of cello tape to cut the circles. Now let's apply glue at the bottom part first, and let's paste our center flower firmly on this bottom piece. Now let's apply glue to our top piece and let's fix this top piece to our center flower. So it's ready now, completely dry. So our plan is now to put it as a centerpiece on our full decoration. So let's see. So this is our piece what we have created. Now what we will do is we will paste it at the center place like this. So it will look nice and beautiful, right? So let's apply a glue. So our centerpiece is getting ready. Now we'll have to decorate with our leaves. So let's do that. Let's take these sheets. I have taken 5 sheets of this color and 5 sheets of this contrasting color. Now let's see with one sheet what we have to make with all those totally 10 sheets. We have to make this particular thing into perfect square. Now also cut this from this diagonal edge. Now we have to fold this diagonal edge in a zigzag manner. Just consider you are folding with 1 centimeter. Now take it to the opposite side and again fold it. Again fold it to opposite side and continue this zigzag pattern till end. Now you have to simply turn it and fold it in between like this. Just align these two ends and put your hard fold in between. So let's apply glue now. Now this particular portion which is coming out, we have to give a cut. So just give a cut at this tip after you pasted it. So your beautiful leaf is now ready. So we have to make 18 such leaves, 9 of this color and 9 of dark color. Let's do it. So I'm ready with all these 9 pieces, all these 18 pieces, 9 from this color and 9 from this color. So we have to arrange these pieces now to our central decoration piece one by one. So let's see what is our plan to arrange this. So I will just keep it aside. So we have already created this central piece. Now we'll have to arrange the leaves at this junction. We will paste this leaf, then leaf with other color here, and so on. So we will paste entire all leaves one by one like this. So let's do that. So likewise I will have to do it for all others. So let's complete it. So I've pasted all these leaves now, colorful leaves, alternate color, and my entire piece is now ready. Now we have to do small piece of decorative items. Let's see what we can add more glory to our item. So to add to beauty to our creation, I am having this crystal stickers. So I am putting these crystal stickers one by one at the tip of these big flower. So let's do that. So let me add this way at the every corner. So I've completed with these crystal stickers at each corner piece. So it is looking very nice. It's glittering at the edges of these big flowers. So nice. So we are almost doing what we require for our back piece for our Ganpati decoration. I hope the steps were very simple and you could able to achieve the same results what I have done it. So if you like this video, just click on like button, send your suggestions to me so that I will improve on my videos. Also hit on bell icon so that you will get notification of so many upcoming videos which I am planning to do for this festive season. So keep watching Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Bye.